Lesson 5.2 The U.S. Regulatory Framework. The United States has the world's most comprehensive and influential regulatory system for drug development. In this lesson, we examine how the FDA is structured, which regulations govern which activities, and how the Investigational New Drug application works in practice. The Food and Drug Administration regulates clinical trials through 3 primary centers, each responsible for a different category of medical product. CDER, the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, oversees most small molecule drugs and therapeutic biologics. If you are running a trial of a new cancer pill or an antihypertensive, CDER is your primary FDA interlocutor. CBER, the Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, oversees vaccines, blood products, gene therapies, and cellular therapies. CDRH, the Center for Devices and Radiological Health, handles medical devices and combination products, and uses investigational device exemptions rather than INDs. On the right, you can see the 4 Code of Federal Regulations parts that every clinical research professional must know. 21 CFR Part 50 governs protection of human subjects. It defines informed consent requirements and what must be disclosed. Part 56 governs IRBs, their composition, review procedures, and reporting obligations. Part 312 governs IND applications and sponsor obligations throughout the trial. And Part 314 governs new drug applications, the marketing authorization that follows a successful development program. These 4 CFR parts work together as a system. Part 50 protects the participant at the site level. Part 56 ensures an independent body reviews the ethical acceptability of the trial. Part 312 ensures the FDA can monitor what is happening during development. And Part 314 sets the evidentiary bar for approval. Before any unapproved drug can be administered to a human being in the United States, a sponsor must file an Investigational New Drug application, the IND, with the FDA under 21 CFR Part 312. There are 3 types of IND. The commercial IND is filed by a pharmaceutical or biotech company and contains proprietary preclinical data supporting the planned human studies. The research or non-commercial IND is filed by academic investigators studying an already approved drug in a new patient population or combination, a common scenario in academic oncology. The emergency use IND allows the FDA to authorize use of an unapproved drug in a genuine, life-threatening emergency before a formal IND is in place. What does an IND contain? 6 key sections. The cover sheet, Form FDA 1571, is the sponsor's legal commitment to the FDA. The investigational plan provides a protocol synopsis for each planned study. The investigator's brochure compiles all preclinical and clinical data about the drug and is updated continuously throughout development. The CMC section, Chemistry, Manufacturing, and Controls, covers drug composition and manufacture. The Pharmacology and Toxicology section presents the preclinical safety data supporting first human exposure, and previous human experience captures any prior human data, including foreign clinical studies. Once submitted, the FDA has 30 calendar days to review. If the agency identifies a safety concern, it issues a clinical hold. We'll cover that in Lesson 5.5. If 30 days pass without action, the sponsor may proceed.